if you're using GPTs within ChatGPT, then you'll know that they can be so helpful. But I found it a little frustrating when I'm maybe halfway through a chat conversation and then think, actually, it'd be useful to get the GPT involved in this. So I found myself cutting and pasting text as I move into the GPT. Well, you don't have to do that. You can bring the GPT into your chat, and let me show you how to do that. So let's say, for example, I've put in a prompt. It's quite a good prompt. I'm asking for some very specific research and a 900-word executive briefing. I've just put this onto ChatGPT 5.2 Instant to get a quick response for the purposes of this demo. I've got loads of stuff here, and you'll see there's citations, there's percentages, there's stats in there, and I want to know, is this actually credible? I need to apply some critical thinking to it. Well, we've got a GPT called Spot the Flaw. It's a critical thinking tool that applies a model called LEAP, which is an acronym for Logic, Evidence, Attribution and Perspective, that we can use to apply to our AI outputs. And I'd love to apply it to this, but rather than cut and paste this output, put it into the actual GPT, I can bring the GPT in here. And this is how straightforward it is, but a lot of people don't know this. I just do the @ sign and then start to type the name of the GPT. There we go. Spot the flaw, your AI critical thinker. And I'm just going to say, apply the LEAP model to this output. Here we go. And it's going to do exactly that. So now it's looking at the logic and it's giving me examples of why it works, where there's maybe some leaps. Here we go. It's challenging some things here. Argument is persuasive but overconfident. Now it's looking at evidence. It's actually looking at these different percentages, no methodology. It's challenging it. So effectively, I'm able to apply that GPT directly into this chat just by adding the @ and typing the name of the GPT. If you want access to this GPT, by the way, we've got great feedback on it. Give me a shout, and follow us if you want more tech and AI hacks that just make your work easier.